What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Boys Family Dinner. We like to eat on a budget.
So this week is back to school for our family, and so we are going to be making Copycat McDonald's McGriddles for an easy grab-and-go breakfast. All right, we're gonna start off cooking our bacon. We like to line our pan with foil. That way the bacon grease will be easy to clean up. But we are just gonna put this in the oven at 400 degrees. While our bacon is cooking, we are going to get started on our pancake batter. We are going to start with 1 egg, a cup of flour. Well, I hope I don't lose too much of that. Making a little mess, that's okay. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then 1 cup of milk. We are just going to blend this up in our magic bullet. All right, the bacon is done. So we are just going to pull this out and let it dry a little bit so we don't have all that grease on the bacon. Okay, we've got our bacon set aside so we can start on our pancakes. And we are going to be using this little egg pan to cook our pancakes in so we can make sure that they are all the right size for these bacon McGriddles. If this is too tedious for you, you can totally just eyeball it and use a bigger pan or a griddle. But we just want to make sure that our pancakes and eggs are all the same size so we can get a nice, even, uniform sandwich. So we're just gonna let this pancake cook here until it starts to get lots of bubbles on the top. Okay, you guys, just before you get ready to flip it over, we wanna just dot some syrup along the top of this so we can get that nice, yummy, sweet flavor that the bacon McGriddles have. You want to be sure that this is most of the way cooked before you flip it, or else your syrup will burn. So it's not going to need to cook very long on the other side at all once you flip it. You seriously only need like 30 seconds to a minute on that other side before you take that pancake out. So let's take it out before the syrup burns. Nice and sweet. All right, so we are just going to repeat this process until we are done with all of our pancake batter. And if you notice that your pan is getting a little sticky from the syrup, just take it off the heat and rinse it out. That way you don't get burnt syrup on your pancakes. Ray, are you having a sample? Are you having a sample? How is it? Are you eating some? You eating a pancake? Ooh, careful. We're just finishing up our last few pancakes here. They're turning out super good. So this is the syrupy side, and then even the plain side looks so good. So next we are gonna cook our eggs and then build the sandwiches.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and bake our egg into our pan. So for the sandwiches, you can kind of make the egg however you want. Normally, I would like a fried egg with a runny yolk, but since we're doing it on the go, we're just gonna scramble it up a little bit here, and then kind of cook it into a patty so we can put it on our sandwich. All right, so as you can see, we have the yolk broken, letting it cook on one side. So it's been about a minute or so. So we're gonna bring all the parts up and we're gonna try to flip this and keep it all into one piece. Now we can season. So we're just gonna season with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. All right, y'all, so we're gonna build our McGriddle. We're gonna put our syrup side pancake bread thing up, and then we're gonna put cheese. We're gonna put our hot egg on top of the cheese here. And then we're gonna put our bacon. Obviously we did a bacon, egg, and cheese, but you can make it however you want. Personally, I love the sausage ones as well, so you can do that. So we're gonna grab our other pancakes, they're upside down, and there's our Copycat McGriddle. Thanks for watching.